When I started in plumbing, like sales, I thought being the cheapest, you know, I thought if I cut the price for somebody, people would choose me. And one day I gave a homeowner the lowest price. And I was so proud of myself, thinking I had this locked in now. You know what they said? If you this cheap, how do I even know you gonna do it right? Kick me straight up out of there. I lost the job. That day I lost the income, and I even lost some confidence, honestly. But here's something I learned, was to never lead with price. Why? You didn't really get any value in it, so they're wondering, what are you charging them for? You charging them for something that we never even discussed. So if you don't know the issue, what are we even talking about price for? The cheapest man never win long term is what I'm getting at. Second, I build trust before I build numbers. People don't buy you because you the lowest. They buy you because they believe in you, actually. Trust always come before transaction. Believe that one. And these two lessons actually tie right into the third. I rushed into price way too fast. And I never asked enough questions. That failure became my knowledge though. And that's why I'm writing a book now, so that you don't have to pay the same failure I did. Because failure is expensive.